Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you are like me, you are tired of cold and desk lamps of fighting for the communal microwave. Well, today we are checking out a gadget that promises to solve that problem. The GEARGO 2026 upgraded cordless electric lunch box. This is not just a food warmer, it is a portable, rechargeable, and seriously smart meal system. I have been testing the new green color model, and trust me, there are some huge upgrades here. Let's dive in and see if this is the ultimate solution for hot meals on the go. First impressions right out the box. The build quality is fantastic using durable food grade materials, but the real game changer is the size. This is not your old teeny lunchbox. GRGO calls this extra large, boosting it 6.3 cup or 1.5 liter capacity. That is 50% bigger than most standard electric lunchboxes. You can comfortably fit a full balanced meal, your protein, your sides, everything, which is perfect for people with big appetites or for long days out. The main container is removable, durable stainless steel. It's a dishwasher safe, which is a massive win for cleanup. And I love this secret concealed handle design, making it super easy to carry along in the included insulated tote bag. Now let's chalk check. The heart of this unit is the massive 20,000 mAh rechargeable battery. This is the difference between being tethered to an outlet and being truly cordless, whether you are a truck driver on a construction site or just eating lunch in a park. You can heat your food without a plug. And how do you control it? Check out this new completely redesigned system. We have a full touch screen operation right on the front. No clunky buttons or confusing apps. It is an intuitive LCD screen that gives you precise control over both temperature and heating time. You can manually set it to heat for 20 minutes, 70 minutes, whatever you need. Which brings me to the next massive feature, the 24-hour scheduled summer heating. This is where the smart really kicks in. Say you want to eat at 12:30 p.m. You set the timer in the morning, and the lunchbox automatically starts the preheating process. So your food is perfectly hot and ready exactly when your lunch break hits. No more guessing, no more waiting. And the memory function, it remembers your last settings. So most days you just hit a button and go. It's the ultimate set it and forget it system for your lunch. This next feature really blew me away, and it's something I have not seen on other boxes. The exclusive refrigeration freezer technology. It comes with a semi-removable ice crystal box. You freeze this, pop it into the lunchbox, and it keeps your food actively chilled for up to 10 hours before you even start the heating process. This eliminates the worry of spoilage, especially if you have a long commute or you are out in the heat all morning. Just remember, you must remove the ice crystal box before you start the electric heating. So, is the GEARGO 2026 upgraded Cordless Electric Lunch Box worth the investment? Absolutely. The combination of the extra large 6.3 cup capacity, the massive cordless battery, the touchscreen interface, the 24 hours scheduling, and the clever ice pack refrigeration system makes this the most advanced electric lunchbox I have ever tested for office workers, travelers, or anyone who deserves a genuinely hot, fresh meal on the go. This is the top tier piece of gear. If you want to check it out, I have left a link to the green model down in the description below. Let me know in the comments what meal would you heat up first in this thing. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more reviews, and hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next one.